Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name: black, blue, sky blue, light green, red, brown, orange and green color. A for apple. B for bat. C for cat. D for duck. Yes, this is letter E for eagle. F for fish. G for goat. This is letter H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jeep. K for kangaroo. L for lion. This is letter M for moon. N for nest. O for octopus. This is letter P for parrot. Yes, this is letter Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for tiger. U for unicorn. This is letter V for van. This is letter W for well. Kids, this is letter X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, read again: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z.